everyone, welcome back to SoCalerific. Today we are here at Knott's Berry Farm and I'm here with both my sisters. We're probably going to ride some rides that I usually don't, but we're definitely going to have a good time. So come along and let's go. Okay, so our first ride is Montezuma's Revenge. I haven't been on this ride in a while, but I remember it being fun. Hopefully it's not too scary, but we shall see. You ready? Are you nervous? Are you okay? I'm good. Let's do this.
Please place all loose items.
To the top, I thought we were going like that.
I know, I feel that was super discombobulated. How was it, Alani, for your first time?
It was fun.
Yeah. I haven't been on that ride in a while, but it was fun. It wasn't too scary though. You think it was scary?
I thought it was fun.
It was like fun scary, not like, oh my god. But it was so cool. Alright, they're off. I am gonna sit this one out. I am not ready for this one. I could do Montezuma, but this one, I cannot. There they go. Good luck to you. Good luck. How was it, guys?
Good.
Is it scary? Think I would freak out?
No. No, we're kind of on the bottom.
It's worse than Montezuma's Revenge, right?
No. I think you would have been fine at the bottom.
Really?
Because like they were on top the whole time, so we were like this.
Dang. My first goal is to conquer hang time, but it's not open. So.
Hang time's freaking crazy, or no?
Gotta always listen to Knott's radio.
Ready? Don't.
Okay, we're about to ride Coast Rider. Yeah, here we go, you guys. Well, it is high up. Another little drop. Alright, that ride was pretty fun. The only thing I know, if you're tall, because I'm pretty short, like my knees were already hurting on that rail. But it's like Goofy's, yeah, it's like Goofy's Fly School at Disneyland, like exactly the same. Maybe a little scarier though.
The scary part is worrying you're gonna fall off.
Yeah, the ricketiness, the sound. Alright, we're gonna try eating at Sutter's Grill. My family likes chicken nuggets and hamburgers, so this is what we're gonna eat. Okay, what are you guys sharing? Let's see.
Delicious.
Chicken strips, okay, how are they?
Good.
Good? What do you think, Zoe? Good?
Oh my god. Without my mask.
Okay, and I went with this. It's a barbecue chicken salad, but I didn't go for the barbecue sauce. Instead, I went with this classic ranch. So let's give this a taste and see if it's good. Take a bite of this salad. Part of the salad.
So let's try the salad.
Okay, let me try the lettuce.
Gotta get it off.
One bite? I can't.
The water.
Okay, I got some salad this time. Are you happy? Lettuce. Okay, so the chicken ended up being a little more burnt than I would have liked. It's a good option. I would get it again. Here comes the tiny train. Up next is Ghost Rider. That was scary.
That first drop, I did not expect.
That was so intense. You're sitting in the back. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. What did you guys think?
It was crazy.
It was
intense.
It was intense in the back, but it was really fun. But we were flying off our seat. I was flying off my seat. Were you?
My neck was all on a line.
Yeah.
I was holding for my life.
Yeah, but it was really fun. Such a good ride.
10 out of 10. Who the hell's Whittles?
You don't know who Whittles is? How dare you? That's Whittles. He's right over there. Hi, Whittles. Looking good, Widows. Okay, now we're on our way to Silver Bullet. I don't know if I'm gonna do that one. I might skip that one, but we're on our way. All right, I have decided to sit it out. I will watch them from afar. It looks fun, but I don't know, I'm a little too nervous for it. Now this is more my type of ride, my speed. How was it? How was it?
Great.
Scary? What was scarier, Ghost Rider or Silver Bullet?
This one. Yeah, this
Do
one.
you think I can handle it?
Yeah, it just flips, I guess.
Okay. They have convinced me to try and go. I don't know. I might chicken out. I'm gonna walk to it, see how I feel.
I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna push you.
Okay, there. Thanks for this encouragement. I can't. Okay, so I just completed Silver Bullet, and it wasn't that bad, honestly. The anticipation, when I was more nervous for that, but as the ride went on, I didn't even have my glasses on, so I couldn't see, but it was fun. You just felt like you were gliding through, so not too bad. I'm glad I did it. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. We just rode a few rides today, but it was really fun. Some rides I haven't been on in a while, but I had a really good time. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.